सो ये गाइस एक कॉमन डाटा क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। सो चलो पढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है। सो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 इट इज आस्किंग ए जनरल फिल्टर सर्किट इज गिवन। ओके, जनरल filter circuit is given and you have to find out the circuit acts as a which type of filter: all pass, band pass, high pass, low pass. As I have told earlier, if in negative inverting terminal resistance and feedback is capacitance, then this is a low pass filter. But there in non-inverting terminal was grounded. But see here in the design, in this designing, R3 and R4 is also there. One is connected to input terminal and another is grounded. Okay, so better to find the transfer function of this circuit and then put S is equal to 0. If we are getting output is 0, then it is not low pass filter, and if you are getting at S is equal to infinite some value, then it is passing high frequencies, means that is high pass filter. So first you have to find out the transfer function of the circuit first. Okay, I have already solved this question to save my time and to reduce my video length. Okay, so you can solve in this way. So it is given R1 and R2 is RA, this is RA, this is RA, and R3 and R4 RB, RB, and this is RB. And we know by virtual ground concept, this point and this point have equal potential. So I wrote V plus and V minus is equal to VA, say. Okay, so put KCL equation only. So let's put that KCL equation at non-inverting terminal. Here VB, see this is VA, as I took VA. Okay, so VA minus VI by RB, VA minus 0 by RB, VA minus VI by RB plus VA by RB is equal to 0, and you will get VI is equal to VA by 2. Similarly, put KCL equation at inverting terminal. Here you will get VA minus VI by RA, VA minus VI by RA, then VA minus V0 by RA, and VA minus V0 by capacitor is represented as 1 by CS. 1 by CS is equal to 0. So you guys solve the question, manipulate this equation, then you will reach near this point. Okay, so check it guys. So we got transfer function here. So put S is equal to 0. So transfer function will be, if we will put S is equal to 0 means frequency is equal to 0, then transfer function will be 0. Similarly, if we put S is equal to infinity, check, if we will put S is equal to infinity, then what will be our value? See, for S is equal to infinity, we can find out in this way. This is RACS, this is infinity by infinity, here infinity is present, so I am writing in this manner: 1 by 2 to RACS by RACS. Okay, means I am writing the numerator. So see guys, how I am writing this. See here, this is infinity by infinity term. Okay, so this is infinity, this is infinity. So how to solve? Divide RACS in both sides. Here RACS, so RACS by RACS is 1, and RACS in denominator part. See, in denominator part, then I will get 1 by, this is 2 by RACS, and 2 RACS by RACS 2. So when S is equal to infinity, then this term will be 1 by 2 by infinity plus 2. So 1 by 2 by infinity 0 plus 2. So this is 1 by 2. At infinity I am getting output is equal to half. So this is a, so it means it is passing high frequency. So this is a high pass filter. So answer will be option C. See guys, next question, and it's 31. It is given what we got in the previous question. It is a high pass filter. So it is asking in this question, the output of filter of question 30, means high pass filter, is given to the circuit shown in the figure. Means previously we got high pass filter, and it is given to this following circuit, means this is a low pass filter. Since R is present first and capacitor is next, this is a low pass filter. So high pass filter is given to a low pass filter, and output waveform is how much? See guys, options. So guys, remember one thing. So for low pass filter, output waveform will be look like this. Means it will pass only low frequency and it will block higher frequency. Similarly, plus high pass filter. For high pass filter, the waveform will look like that. Means it will block low frequency and pass high frequency. Okay. Similarly, one is their band pass filter. It will pass only a limited amount of frequency. Means let's say this is omega 1 and this is omega 2. Okay, so it will pass only this frequency, and it will block low frequency and block high frequency. Similarly, one is band reject filter. This is the opposite of this filter, means it will pass low frequency but block this limited amount of frequency and again pass high frequency. Okay, so see, in this question we got previously high pass filter. Okay, and it is given to circuit low pass filter. See, then we have to find out which type of waveform we will get. Okay, see, this is high pass filter, as I said, this is high pass filter. Okay, this is high pass filter. Now it is passed through and low pass filter, and low pass filter will be look like this. So high pass filter will restrict this area, low pass filter will restrict this frequency region. So the intermediate region we will get if we pass high pass filter to low pass filter. So output will look like this. Okay, so only option D is matching. So option D is the answer.